Hello and welcome to Gladys Cake Kitchen. If you're used to my videos, you're probably expecting this. Hello and welcome to Gladys Cake Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to... Except no, there is no tutorial today unless perhaps you want to see this spooky Halloween themed cake. But I'm here with a heart of gratitude to say thank you. Thank you to 600 plus subscribers of mine who have found me worthy of your time, who watch my videos, enjoy them, like, share, and leave comments for every video. I am so grateful for your time. For most of you who have just begun on this exciting journey of baking and decorating who find my videos useful, if there is anything to take out of video, it is to encourage you that many years ago, my YouTube journey also began as an absolute novice, with no knowledge of camera gear, equipment, lighting, or any of that sort. A year later, how different is that story? So if there's anything to take out of this thank you video, it is to encourage you that when the recipe goes wrong in the kitchen, try again. When the buttercream melts, maybe get onto caking groups and ask questions. When you watch these videos, do leave a comment or suggestion about a video you would like to see, and creators like me will take it to heart and make videos that are very suitable for you to learn from. But in the meantime, I am so grateful to have you on my channel. I am so grateful for your support. I look forward to 1,000, 10,000 and more when you will still be here enjoying and watching my videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Whilst I'm here, I am going to remind you that I am aware for most of you, my journey onto YouTube was equally the same. I had no knowledge of baking gear,